Live from a kitchen in Las Vegas, it's Keto Cooking. Everybody, welcome back. I'm Tom Gorby, the Keto Cook. Well, you see right there, another big beef boneless chuck. Now, got a pretty good deal on it, if you want to call it a deal. You see it's 21 pounds, $5.09 a pound, $109. What makes me ill is that 2 years ago, this piece would have been around $55, $58. So it actually has doubled in price. So, my procedure, the way I was taught to prepare meats and stuff, wash everything. Make sure it's clean. You have no more stickiness to it. It can be very tacky and will pick up just about any kind of debris on there. Now, our new procedure is that we save the receipts and also the price with the barcode on it, just in case with all these crazy, stupid recalls that they're having on stuff. It's just another ploy, advertising to make more money, like they don't make enough. Okay, they're really beating the hell out of the public as far as this kind of food. I buy in bulk like this because it is a money saver. To buy one chuck roast, probably about 2 inches thick, you're talking close to $30, and that's out here. So I'm in Vegas, and everything seems to be a little bit more higher. But buying in bulk like this, I can pack my freezer, and we can really save money in the long run. Okay, so I'm going to pat it down dry with some paper towel, and then I'm going to cut this up. I'm not going to do too much trimming on it because I am going to be cutting these into some roasts, and we'll be cubing some up for later on, either for cube steak or to grind up for beef patties. All right, I'm going to start trimming this down. I'm going to cut them into pieces. Like I said, 1 3/4 to 2 inches. This piece barely fits on my cutting board, so I'm going to make some alterations. Just kick back and now watch this, how I do it.
Live from a kitchen somewhere in Las Vegas, it's keto cooking. We cook keto food, nothing from a box. Eat keto clean, no bagels but some lox. Tom Garvey the keto cook. Tom Garvey the keto cook. Beef and butter, don't forget those ribs. Kitchen somewhere in Las Vegas, it's keto cooking. We cook keto food, nothing from a box. Eat keto clean, no bagels but some lox. Tom Garvey the keto cook. Tom Garvey the keto cook. Beef and butter, don't forget those ribs.
Okay, just going to be trimming this up here. I'm going to get some stew meat out of this. We can cube it up in for stews or for burnt ends or whatever. Also, I can get a little. You can get a flat iron steak out of this. You can also get the Denver cut. I like the cap meat. That's what I'm trimming up right now. That's going to be for the chef. I'm going to cook a little bit while I'm finished trimming this up. Now, this is all going to be getting vacuum sealed and put into the freezer for future use. So, yeah, I mean, you can get a lot out of it. I probably get about 7 to 10 meals out of this. That right there is going to go onto the stove in a couple minutes because I'm getting hungry. Now, on here for burgers, use the fat. Put the fat in there. It's going to make a nice juicy burger. Chuck roll is great for burger, to make an hamburger meat or chopped meat for meatloafs and stuff like that because it does have enough fat in it. So, being at brisket is super high right now. This is where to go. But they caught on, all right? They actually raised brisket prices. Also, they raised the chuck prices. I mean, it's amazing how we're getting run over, especially if you're doing a carnivore diet. Very, very hard to stay in the game without compromising. A lot of people say you can have hot dogs. No, you can't. Hot dogs highly processed. There's more shelf-stabilized garbage in it. You don't need to be eating hot dogs, believe me. A couple people, well, you're going to have bologna too. The better part of bologna, all right, which is still junk to me, is still highly processed and still has preservatives in it. So now, try to do your own thing here. All right, as you can see, the chef right here is getting ready to perform a nice service for him and the missus. Yeah, 2 pieces there. It's like my favorite part of it. Cook them up. This is 1, 2, 3. All right, you know what? We're going to play a little bit more music here as I finish cutting up this chuck.
Live from a kitchen somewhere in Las Vegas, it's keto cooking. We cook keto food, nothing from a box. Eat keto clean, no bagels, but some lox. Tom Garvey, the keto. Cook Tom Garvey, the keto. Cook beef and butter, and don't forget those ribs. Live, 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 loop. We cook keto food, nothing from a box. Eat keto clean, no bagels, but some lox. Tom Garvey, the keto. Cook Tom Garvey, the keto. Cook beef and butter, and don't forget those ribs. With beef and butter, and don't forget those ribs.
Have it right there. That's one of my favorite parts right there. That's part of the cap. Very tender. Now, like I said, this whole roast right here, actually the whole clod, is fantastic. It's got a lot of different cuts in it. You got the Denver cut. You also have the flat iron that's in there. I use the cap meat. Now, I got 8 different roasts out of this, okay, that you can use in a slow cooker, Dutch oven, whatever, or cube this up also for burnt ends or whatever. There you have it right there. I got enough there to do some chopped meat. It's about 2.5 pounds. And also I got some for stew meat, okay, if you want to make a nice beef stew, whatever. Dry vacuum sealed, dated. We saved the receipts now because in case there is any kind of recall, we know exactly what we got there. All right, everybody, listen, thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We will see you next week for another episode of Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Thanks, everybody. Stay safe. Hit that like and subscribe.
With beef and butter, and don't forget those ribs.